ground, dirt, earth, and you plant grass. So essentially a landfill is actually a bubble or a cocoon where garbage is placed and not in the ground. So if there's anything that escapes to the ground or the environment, it's a failure of the engineered system.
Oh, okay. Now, is there a certain height requirement? I know that landfills have capacity guidelines, but is there also a height requirement? Because sometimes they look like mountains. I don't know.
Well, essentially, you don't think of landfills, you don't think of burying garbage in the ground. They're actually built above ground. So they do sort of turn into mountains. But it's all sort of a design criteria. Some landfills they're designed to be in ground, and some of them are designed to be above ground. So it just depends on your community standards, your environmental agency, and then the people who actually construct and build the landfill.
Well, the old landfills that have been closed, a lot of positive things have gone on top of them now, too, haven't they?
Well, there have been a lot of interesting activities associated with landfills, golf courses, parks, cogeneration of energy. There's an effort to reuse the land, not to just let it go fallow, but to reclaim it and reuse it as soon as possible.
That's great, and that falls right into the context of what we like to do here is to teach to reuse, reduce, and recycle. So that's wonderful. But Anthony, we would like to thank you so much for being a guest on our show.
You've been a very interesting and educational guest.
Thank you.
And a wealth of information as well. I think I've learned a lot today on this session, so that's wonderful. And we would like to have you back because there's so many questions that we haven't asked about, you know, ratios and capacity and other things of that nature regarding landfills.
And Mary, I would like to share too that if our viewers have any questions about recycling, please contact your local Keep America Beautiful program or your local Public Works departments.
Our general services with Fulton County services, right? General services with Fulton County.
We would like to consider ourselves a public service, public works. So we're still our public works function. So it's okay to refer to us as public works.
Okay, just wanted to get it. Well, thank you so much. Now, can our viewers, if they had any questions that live in Fulton County, if they had any specific questions, is it okay for them to call you?
Absolutely.
Okay, so would you please look into the camera, just give your name again, your title, and your line, contact information? Okay,
my name is Anthony Spencer. I'm the solid waste manager for Fulton County Government. If you have any questions, our number is 404-612-7400.
Thank you so much. We would like to thank all the viewers out there. I hope you enjoyed the show about waste management recycling, because we truly have. We would like to also thank our sponsor of our show today, which is the Atlanta Marketing Enterprise. We had Ty Gregory here with us today, and we would like to say thank you so much for her. We also would like to thank our camera crew and all of our sponsors of the Recycling Works TV show. And remember, recycling works. See you next time.